So very good morning to all of you. We are studying the geography. In the last class, we have seen that certain terms like endogenetic, exogenetic factors, the landforms. Okay, so try to understand the concept. Today, we are trying to introduce the geomorphological aspect of the Jharkhand. But before that, let's continue with the geomorphological development. Before to start the lecture, you should understand a fact कि जो जोग्राफर्स थे हाउ दे स्टडी द डिफरेंट टाइम स्केल्स पास्ट की जो डेवलपमेंट हुआ उसको कैसे स्टडी करते हैं ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ जियोलॉजिकल टाइम स्केल। ठीक है, ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ जियोलॉजिकल टाइम स्केल। So what is this geological time scale? In NCERT textbook class 11, that is in fundamentals of geography, the first chapter में geological time scale दिया हुआ है. Okay, you should remember that one. That is important area. In the geological time scale, ऐसे time को divide किया जाता है. That is eons is divided into era. Era is divided into period. ठीक है, and that period is divided into epoch. ठीक है, क्लास 11th एनसीईआरटी में दिया हुआ है, यू शुड रिमेंबर, वहां से उसको पढ़ना है. ओके, दैट इज इंपॉर्टेंट एरिया. इयॉन्स, एरा, पीरियड एंड इपोक. नाउ इफ यू लुक एट ऑल दीज, ये मिलियंस ऑफ ईयर्स की बातें करता है. ठीक है, सो इंपॉर्टेंट चीज क्या है हियर, यू हैव टू स्टडी सम फैक्ट. दैट इज एरा इज डिवाइडेड इनटू प्री कैम्ब्रियन, then Paleozoic, Mesozoic, Cenozoic. ठीक है, ये नाम थोड़े डिफिकल्ट हैं बट यू शुड रिमेंबर, इट विल हेल्प यू टू अंडरस्टैंड. सो इन द जियोलॉजिकल टाइम स्केल क्या क्या डेवलपमेंट हुआ, लेट्स सी. ओके, ये कुछ स्टोरी की तरह है, उसको स्टोरी की तरह ही समझना है. व्हेन वी से that Precambrian period, okay, so Precambrian period around, let's see, Precambrian, so from that 570 to 4800 million years from now. Okay, it means we are talking about these million years ago, that there was a supercontinent that is called Rodinia. What was that? There was a supercontinent that is called Rodinia. ठीक है, Rodinia. एंड प्रीकैम्ब्रियन के टाइम में ये लगभग हुआ था. देन उसके बाद जब पेलियोजोइक टाइम जब आया, दैट इज पेलियोजोइक एरा, दैट इज अराउंड द 245 to 570 million years ago. ठीक है, what happened, that Rodinia started breaking down. Rodinia what started breaking down, ये टूटना शुरू होता है. ठीक है, then again during this Mesozoic period, ठीक है, Mesozoic era, what happened, that is 65 to 245 million years ago. This Rodinia again जो भी टूटना शुरू हुआ था, they again started uniting together. What happened? They united. They again united. ठीक है, they united and give a supercontinent that is called Pangaea. United and gave a supercontinent that is called Pangaea. ठीक है, and this Pangaea is surrounded by a super ocean. This Pangaea is surrounded by a super ocean, surrounded by a super ocean that is called Panthalassa. Okay, that is called Panthalassa. So like that, okay, this is, let's say this is your Pangaea, and this Pangaea is actually surrounded by super ocean that is called Panthalassa. So this is your Pangaea and this is your Panthalassa. Okay, this is continent, this is your ocean. Now due to this internal changes, what happened? Again this started breaking down. So around the 200 million years ago, that is during Carboniferous period, what happened? इसके बाद क्या आता है? During Carboniferous time, Carboniferous period. ठीक है? So approximately around 200 million years ago, what happened? This Pangaea started breaking. Okay, that is, you can call it supercontinent. Supercontinent started breaking. Okay, and it broken down into two parts, that is Laurasia and Gondwana land. Laurasia and Gondwana land. ठीक है, कुछ समझे? Like that, this is your supercontinent Pangaea, surrounded by a super ocean, that is your Panthalassa. Now this period, what happens? It started breaking. मतलब कुछ ऐसा हुआ होगा, like that. ठीक है, surrounded by this super ocean. ठीक है, this is your Laurasia and जो नीचे वाला पोर्शन, that is your Gondwana land. Gondwana land. Again around 165 million years ago, फिर क्या हुआ? Around 165 million years ago, what happened? These Gondwana land and Laurasia again started breaking down. Okay, again started breaking, and that gave rise to different continents and various islands. Okay, like that. Okay, let's say this one, your Laurasia, and this is your Gondwana land. So from the Laurasia, the continents bana, like North America. Okay, Eurasia, from Gondwana land you get, let's say, South America. Similarly Africa, साथ में मैप रीडिंग भी सीखना है. अफ्रीका प्लस बगल में क्या है? मेडागास्कर. ठीक है, मेडागास्कर. देन यू गेट like Australia. Okay, you get Antarctica. Okay, the peninsular India, peninsular India. So you get the theme that when Laurasia, Gondwana land जब टूटा, तो various type of continents and islands बने. So they are the what? First order structure. So this way that the development takes place. Okay, so historical development है. So you should remember Carboniferous period, Laurasia, Gondwana land, and from Laurasia to Gondwana land, इस तरह से various continents and the various peninsular part develop हुआ है. So this peninsular India का एक नॉर्थ ईस्ट एक्सटेंशन है. नॉर्थ ईस्ट एक्सटेंशन, that is your छोटा नागपुर प्लेटो. ठीक है, छोटा नागपुर प्लेटो. So this Chotanagpur plateau का historical origin यहाँ है. It means your Jharkhand, that is the Chotanagpur plateau, is basically have the origin of such a long history. Now let's understand geomorphology. What are the formations found in the physical or geography of the Jharkhand? Okay, let's try to understand. So physical geography of Jharkhand. Physical geography Jharkhand. Actually, when we say the Jharkhand, shape is not exactly defined. Okay, shape is not exactly defined. Not exactly defined. But first of all, try to understand the development. Okay, then we will talk in detail about the Jharkhand. So, how you remember the geomorphology of the Jharkhand? Okay, when we talk about geomorphology of the Jharkhand, the geomorphology of Jharkhand को याद रखने का एक सिंपल ट्रिक है, that is ADVG city. ADVG and city. To remember the geomorphology of Jharkhand by this ADVG city trick. AD means the Archean formation. This D for Dharwad formation. Dharwad formation. V means Vindhyan formations. Vindhyan formations. G for Gondwana. ठीक है, अब थोड़ा इजी लग रहा होगा. C for Cretaceous formations. T for tertiary formations. T for tertiary formations. ठीक है, actually these are the terms like that. Archean you get in geological time scale जो बताया in class 11 textbook, you remember, you just refer. Archean you get under eons. ठीक है, Archeans वहां मिलेगा तुमको. Then Dharwad, Vindhyan, Gondwana, Cretaceous, Tertiary, you will get in the geological time scale. You get all these from there. So let's understand कि ये है क्या, Archean formations कहाँ मिलेगा, Dharwad formation का क्या meaning है. Okay, now let's consider a simple shape of Jharkhand. Okay, let's take that a arbitrary shape of Jharkhand. समझने के लिए, then subsequently we will gradually move to proper shape. So Jharkhand ये है हमारा, this is your east, west, north, south. Okay, so first that Archean formation. So you can call it about the 2/3 of the Chotanagpur plateau is formed of Archean. So what is that? That 2/3 of the Chotanagpur plateau is basically having Archean formation, and the predominant rock structure is your granite and gneiss. So granite and gneiss. Gneissoid भी बोलते हैं इसको, gneiss भी बोल सकते हैं, granite and gneiss. So in Archean formation you get the gneissoid and granitic type of structure. Then ये है क्या, what are these rocks? Rocks are basically, you will study in rock chemistry that rocks are the reservoirs of the minerals. Okay, हम लोग बाद में देखेंगे, but try to understand Archean formation. You can call it the 2/3. Okay, the 2/3 part is of Archean formations. Now second is your Dharwad formation. Okay, Dharwad formation, जहां भी Dharwad terms मिले, it is basically the mineral deposits. Dharwad means minerals. ठीक है, Gondwana means coal belts. Okay, Golwala means coal belts. So let's see. Dharwad. When we say Dharwad, so this is your the Jharkhand. So this southern tip of the Jharkhand having Dharwad formation. ठीक है, so Dharwad formation कहाँ मिलेगा हमको? Southern tip of Jharkhand. Southern tip. कौन सा रीजन है? कोल्हान अपलैंड्स. ठीक है, कोल्हान अपलैंड्स. अभी घबराना नहीं है. इन नेक्स्ट लेक्चर वी विल सी दी फिजिकल डिवीजन ऑफ द झारखंड. सब ये सब यूज टू हो जाएगा, बट अंडरस्टैंड साउदर्न पार्ट में क्या है? कोल्हान. एंड हियर यू गेट धरवर फॉर्मेशन. सो धरवर है, इट मींस द मिनरल डिपॉजिट. सो इट इज कॉल्ड स्टोर हाउस ऑफ मिनरल्स. So what are the minerals? Like iron you get from here, like kyanites you get from here. So these are the formations and these type of deposits you get from Dharwar formations. Third is your Vindhyan formations. ठीक है, Vindhyan formations. ये सबसे पहले कहाँ मिलेगा? Let's see. So the northwestern part, okay, the Vindhyan formation, this part, that is northwestern part. ठीक है, northwestern part you get the Vindhyan formations. So in this Vindhyan formation you get the karst topography. Karst topography. Karst topography का मतलब इसमें डिपॉजिट्स कौन होंगे? DLS. Okay. So the Vindhyan formation you get in northwestern part of Jharkhand. नॉर्थवेस्टर्न पार्ट में मिलेगा कार्स्ट टोपोग्राफी. यहाँ पर क्या मिलेगा? कार्स्ट टोपोग्राफी. इट मींस मिनरल कौन कौन होंगे? याद रखेंगे, डोलोमाइट, लाइमस्टोन, देन सैंडस्टोन. ठीक है, ये कार्स्ट टोपोग्राफी ये कंपोनेंट्स हैं. डीएलएस, डोलोमाइट, लाइमस्टोन एंड सैंडस्टोन. ये कहाँ मिलेगा? नॉर्थ वेस्टर्न पार्ट. इट मींस यू गेट इन पलामू एरियाज. ठीक है, पलामू एरियाज में क्या मिलेगा? हम विंध्यन फॉर्मेशन. नाउ लेट्स मूव. जी फॉर गोंडवाना फॉर्मेशंस. गोंडवाना फॉर्मेशंस. तो गोंडवाना फॉर्मेशंस कहाँ मिलेगा? ओके, और सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, गोंडवाना मींस व्हाट? द कोल बेल्ट्स. ठीक है, कोल बेल्ट्स ना. ठीक है, इसको समझते हैं. सो फ्रॉम लातेहार इन द वेस्ट, लेट्स से कॉल इट लातेहार. सो लातेहार इन द वेस्ट टू झरिया एंड रानीगंज इन द ईस्ट. ठीक है, सो कोल बेल्ट्स एरिया. सो कौन से डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स हैं इसके? लाइक द गोंडवाना बेल्ट्स में कौन कौन से डिस्ट्रिक्ट है? लाइक लातेहार, देन व्हाट? पलामू, रांची, ठीक है, रामगढ़, हजारीबाग, चतरा, then you get बोकारो, then धनबाद, then गिरिडीह. फिर राजमहल हिल्स वाले एरियाज में चले जाओ, लाइक गोड्डा, पाकुड़. ठीक है, so these are the areas जहां पर गोंडवाना फॉर्मेशंस मिलेगा. लातेहार, पलामू, रांची, रामगढ़, हजारीबाग, then this is चतरा, बोकारो, धनबाद, गिरिडीह. These are the areas where you get the coal belts. कोल बेल्ट्स के नीचे you get the fire clay. क्या मिलता है? फायर क्ले. ठीक है, फायर क्ले मिलता है. So after Gondwana formations, you will get what? The last two, that is Cretaceous formations and Tertiary formations. Cretaceous. So Cretaceous basically कहाँ मिलेगा तुम्हें? Cretaceous formation के चलते you will have bauxite. ठीक है, लोअर दग्गा, पलामू एरियाज में बॉक्साइट डिपॉजिट्स हैं, जैसे एल्युमिनियम, जिससे एक्सट्रैक्ट होता है, ठीक है। बॉक्साइट आर द ओर्स ऑफ एल्युमिनियम। ऑल्सो यू हैव लेटेराइट सॉइल्स, लेटेराइट सॉइल्स। So the Cretaceous, due to the Cretaceous formation, you would have bauxite deposits that you will get the areas like Lohardaga, okay, like Palamu. These are the areas where you will get the Cretaceous formations, means bauxite and laterite soil. And then third and last one, sorry, that is tertiary formations. So due to these tertiary formations के चलते क्या पर in Jharkhand river valleys forms हुए हैं, ठीक है। Due to these tertiary formation, river valleys are the form. So let's have a recap कि कौन कौन से geomorphological features हैं Frickage, AD, VG and CT. So these Archean formations around 2/3 of the entire Chhota Plateau. Okay, then Tharwar formation, mineral deposits in Kolhan areas, mineral deposits. Then Vindhyan formation means northwestern part, remember is karst topography, ठीक है। मिनरल कौन से मिलेंगे, that is your dolomite, limestone and sandstone. Then Gondwana formation, that is the coal belts area, that entire chain. Then Cretaceous formations, you get the bauxite deposits here, okay. And then your tertiary, that river valleys are the forms. So this is about the introduction to the physical geography, that is geomorphology about the Jharkhand. In subsequent lectures we will see the further topics and more the topics in the detail. So keep revise. Thank you for the today's class. That tomorrow we will meet with next lecture and next topic. Thanks a lot.